Hey people, and welcome to another video. I am so sorry. I feel like I've been going forever. I know you guys are like, why you keep apologizing for, being gone. It's only been a week, but when you first start a YouTube channel, you always know you're supposed to go extremely hard, be dedicated, and just come out with the videos as much as you can. And I feel like I haven't done that. I was attacked by the flu extremely bad. Like y'all, like that thing is like practically called the Walking Dead. Like it is no joke. And before I get in the video, just make sure you sanitize your hands as much as possible. Wipe down any places if you know you're gonna sit. Make sure you keep your kids nice and clean and sanitized and everything, because it is literally no joke. I still kind of feel like I'm recovering from it. Um, but I feel a whole lot better, you guys. Like, oh my God. Like, the flu is, please, you guys, if you can help it, do not catch it. It is like walking dead, like miserable. I'm talking about I had like a fever of 103.7 for hours, and it was just, I don't even want to get into it. I'm just glad that I'm feeling better. Yes, I do have on clothes. It's like a little tube top, one piece, onesie, whatever you want to call it, jumpsuit. Yeah, tube top jumpsuit. So I do have on clothes. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm sorry to all my faithful subscribers who watch me daily. I apologize. That's why I haven't been uploaded. I have been like bed bound, like no lie. But I'm back, and I come to give you guys a updated brow routine, what I've been promising for the longest. So we gonna get started on that right now. That should be good. Trying to get you guys as close as possible so you can see everything. Okay, first and foremost, you want to make sure that you clean up your eyebrows with eyebrow archer. Let me see if I have mine. I can look a little dusty, but like at a local beauty supply store, which is what I did off camera. Just cleaned up because I'm in the process of growing my eyebrows back. That's why they look, a little thick, a little full, because I'm growing them back. So literally all I had to do was, just clean up around my tail end, because I usually like that to be, on the slender side. So now that we got all of that out of the way, what I'm going to go ahead and use, which I have been growing to love, which is the Ardell Brow Kit. I hear some people say that, this is just concealer, y'all, but I hear some people say that they don't like the Ardell Brow Kit. But I feel like you just have to work with it a little bit in order to kind of like see the beauty in it, which is part of the reason why I like to do reviews, because you never know when you're going to enjoy a product until you start using it. Like, you can't just use it one time and be like, oh, I don't like it, and then throw it to the side. You have to keep using it, kind of like tweak it a little bit and see what you like best, So what I'm just going to do now is use my spoolie. It's a double-ended brush by Morphe, and it just has the angled brush on one side and a spoolie on the other. And we are going to use this brush for this video, and I am just going to go in with this darker shade right here and line the perimeter of my eyebrows. Okay, now that you've done that, what I'm going to do is go in with my Wet n Wild Color Kohl eyebrow pencil in the color Sima Brown. And what I'm going to do is just fill in the rest of my eyebrows. So anything between the two lines that we've created. Okay, notice that I didn't go all the way to the beginning. I stopped right here. That way we give the opportunity to create a, how can I say, a faded effect. So the reason why we didn't go all the way to the end is because we wanted lightest to darkest, if that makes sense. Then we are going to go back in with our spoolie, and we're going to kind of like spread that color abroad. Okay, and see how that kind of filled it in for us. And it'll make sense as we do our concealer and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other eye. So I'm just going to crank up the music and you guys watch me do my eyebrows. Okay guys, sorry. I know you saw me doing on the phone doing the most, but this is the final look from doing my eyebrows. I just went ahead and added a little setting powder on my lids because I am going to do a second video after this doing my Valentine's Day video, so you can just follow me right on to the next one. And if not, then I will link the Valentine's Day video below in the description box, so feel free to check that out. I did post on Facebook asking some of my followers some ideas of what I can do on another look, or what looks that you guys would like to see for Valentine's Day. So one look that I did get was a ombre lip, which is the bomb.com, and very sexy for Valentine's Day. And I had another look in mind. Sorry about that, I thought somebody was twisting my doorknob, but anyway, and I had another look in mind along with the ombre look. So if you would like to check out that, meet me in the next video. And I thank you queens so much for watching me, and see you again in the next video. Mwah. Bye.